All right, let's go ahead and launch. All right, so I'm going to go forward. I'm going to come backwards. Go right, go left. Forward, back. It moves pretty fast, so you gotta try to get it. There we go. I'm gonna try to get it a little bit higher. There we go. I'm trying to get close to the camera. Now I gotta get down lower. All right, so we're doing pretty good. Go this way. All right, let's see if we can get it to spin in place. Whoops. It starts to move too fast. Let's do a spin. Let's stop it. Let's go forward. So we're getting a little bit of craziness there. Oh, look at, we're starting to lose our battery. All right, let's go ahead and come down. All right, that's it. We did pretty good on that one. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos.